To transfer money using the UBA USSD code, follow these steps. On your phone's dial pad, press *919#. A prompt will appear with a list of transfer options. Choose option 4. Transfer other banks. Next, key in your PIN and press send. A list of bank options will appear, allowing you to select the bank you wish to send the money to. Enter the recipient's bank account number and press send. Then enter the amount you wish to send. Check whether the details are correct and reply with 1 to confirm. Alternatively, you can also use *919* account number *amount hash on your phone. Then key in your mobile banking PIN. Choose the recipient's bank, and enter the account number and amount. You will receive a confirmation message for the successful transaction. Additionally, to check your UBA account balance using a USSD code, dial *919*00# and enter your PIN. Your balance will be displayed on the screen and you will also receive an alert message.